Hi everybody, this is Mrs.DeLap here, and I wanted to talk with you about what we're going to be doing in math for tomorrow, Tuesday, September 8th. So we're going to be reviewing multi-digit multiplication. Now this is something that you should have probably learned already and you probably remember how to do it, but it might have been a while since you've worked with multi-digit multiplication. So I'm going to do a couple of problems with you today on our Zoom meeting, today on our video. And then tomorrow during our Zoom meeting, we're going to practice together and you're going to use your whiteboards and we're going to be working on doing some assignments working with multi-digit multiplication. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to share my screen. It's going to take me just a second. And there it is. Okay, so when we are talking about multi-digit multiplication, we are going to be using the traditional algorithm. So when we are talking about, say, 163 times 47, it's going to look like that. That's our traditional algorithm. When we do our multiplication, we're going to start by multiplying by the ones. So 7 times 3 is 21. I'm going to put down my ones and I'm going to carry my tens. 7 times 6 is 42. And then I need to add whatever I've carried. So I'm going to say it's 44. Put down my 4, carry my other 4. Put down my ones, carry my tens. 7 times 1 is 7. Again, we're going to add what we have that we've carried. So 7 plus 4 is actually 11. And I don't have anything to carry, so I'm going to stop right there. Now we need to multiply by our tens place. Since we've moved over, we need to put in a placeholder that tells us in our answer that we are now multiplying by tens. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a placeholder. And some people like to put a little X in their 0. You can just leave it as a 0. It's your choice. Just make sure you put that there that shows that you have moved from the ones place over to the tens place. We're now multiplying by the tens. Okay, so 4 times 3 is 12. Put down my ones, carry my tens. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Put down my ones, carry my tens. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. There's nothing to carry. Then I need to add my products. So I'm going to go ahead and just add those products. 1 plus 0 is 1. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. 163 times 47 is equal to 7,661. Okay. Let's do that one more time. So I'm going to go ahead and erase. And let's see, I need to pick a different number. How about 4,281 times 152? Nice simple numbers. There we go. All right, so again, we're going to start by multiplying our ones place. So we're going to start by multiplying by that 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 8 is 16. Put down my ones, carry my tens. 2 times 2 is 4, plus whatever I've carried. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Nothing to carry on that because it's less than 10. 2 times 4 is 8. Now I need a placeholder because I've moved over to my tens. I've moved over, so that means I need to add in a 0 for my placeholder. So 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Put down my ones, carry my tens. 5 times 2 is 10, plus what I've carried. So 10 plus 4 is 14. Put down my ones, carry my tens, and I'm crossing it out to show that I've used it. 5 times 4 is 20, plus what I carried. 20 plus 1 is 21. Okay, now I need to show that I moved over again because I need to multiply by the hundreds place. So I've moved over 1, 2 places. So I need to have 2 placeholders. 1, 2 placeholders. And then we're going to multiply. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 4 is 4. Nothing to carry on that one. Nice and simple. Our last step again is going to be to add our products. 2 plus the zeros is 2. Excuse me. 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry my 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 0 is still 6. Plus 1 is 7. 8 plus 4 is 12. Plus 8 is 20. Carry my 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 2 is 5. And 2 plus 4 is 6. So 4,281 times 152 is 650,712. All right, so before we meet for our math Zoom class tomorrow at 1 o'clock, I need you to go back and I need you to read your math newsletter that's been posted on Google Classroom. There's going to be a little quick form that you're going to do, and you need to use information from that newsletter to be able to get the 5 points for that assignment. All right, guys, I hope that you remember how to do multi-digit multiplication, and if you don't, no big deal. We'll talk about it in class tomorrow. All right, guys, have a nice night. I'm looking forward to talking with you. Bye.